Hey there, thanks for tuning to my channel, Albert Ashevdin here. So in this video, I would love to show you how to do data visualization using the pie chart and donut chart. What the pie chart is used for is showing proportions totaling 100%, but the donut chart is a pie chart with the center cut out like a donut, like a normal donut you used to eat at your snacks. But also the donut chart comes with an option to add multiple rings, or I will say multiple donuts on each other to show additional data series or metrics within same visualization. You could also get smart with the donut chart to build a racetrack type of visualization. I'll show you how to do that in a jiffy. So example of data set which you can visualize using the pie chart or the donut chart as anything that add up to what percentage or 100%. For example, percentage of budget spent by departments, proportion of internet users by age range, and so on. Pro tip here: make sure your category dimensions is what the category of your dimension, your data set is less than what? Less than 6. It allows for what? Readability and neatness of the what? Of your visualization. So let's jump to Microsoft Excel and let me show you how to build a donut chart and a pie chart. So let's get started. Thank you. Hi there, welcome back from short break. So here in Microsoft Excel, we have a simple categorical data set here. We have action, comedy, romance, fiction. We have with cost, revenue gap, target, percentage. So to begin with, I'll insert a simple power chart. I'll just select this, a data like this, come to the inside tab, under chart, boom. See, I've inserted a pie chart. Simple as that. You see, there's nothing we have to do. Right click, show data labels. This is my data labels. Little bit that you can see that you make that white, bold. Let me increase the font. You can see it's showing, it's not really making sense. Let's right click, format. Let's show it as values. Let's show it as what? Percentage, and let me bring it to the center. Cool. I think it's making sense. You can see super fast, super easy. The action data labels things more revenue, then comes to comedy, then comes to romance, then this. So super fast, super easy. And you can easily read your data set easily. Another thing I'd love to show you is this. So let's insert a donut chart. We are done with this. You can see this is only showing my cost. It's not showing me the revenue column. It's not showing me the revenue column. It's showing me showing me cost. That's when the donut chart comes in. So I'll just right click and copy this and paste it here. Let me just make this a little bit small. Then I'll come here. Let me drag it there for you. Change chart type. I will just right click and change chart type. See, donut chart. See, boom. Let me just cancel this out. Let me show you a little bit of the ticket. Let me just delete this. Another way you could do this is when you have your donut chart already, you just right click, select data, add data. So the series name will be revenue. In the series home. Same thing, but on first we just select your data series and come to change title or insert the donut chart. Super fast, super easy. So we have our cost is the first ring, and our revenue is the second ring. Mistake there, sorry about that. Our revenue is the second ring. So because our revenue is not showing any data labels, just add data labels like this. Then I'll convert it also from our data labels. Let's show it as series name instead of values. We make it bold. Our series bold, and I increase the fonts to white, make it big a little bit. We are forgetting one thing. Let's format this, make our donut a little bit big. it's getting smaller. Big. Yeah, I think it's bigger now. You can see we have revenue, we have this. Let's change this over from percentage to series name. We have cost and revenue, so you can see our cost for each category: action, comedy, romance, and fiction. But it's so busy here. Let's as we want to show cost for only action. We could get rid of all this, the rest. Just delete this. If you're only selecting one, delete. So this time I want to show you what the cost and revenue generated by action. So I could just make this a little bit fancy. I can just make this. Let's change the fill, solid fill, same blue, for this time around 50% transparency. Cool. I thought you get the idea right now. So it's really making sense right now. So you don't need to be all busy like that and you don't even know what we are seeing. Cool, right? So what else I want to show you? Let's build our racetrack donut chart. So to do that, let me just move this somewhere here. Let's move this somewhere here. Boom. So I would advise you to watch the end. This will be very, very tricky. So to do that, I'll just select this, my data set, control, and select this, control, select this. Then I come to the inside tab, pie charts, and I come to donut chart. Let me make this a bit big so you can see it very, very well. Boom. This is not really making sense. I'll show you why. If I select my data labels, I have my revenue gap. I select the next one, I have revenue. The last one, I have revenue target. What if we could make this, instead of by columns, let's make it by what? By rows. All I have to do is what? Switch by what? You can see it's making sense right now. If I select this, already select this, commands. So what I will do is what? I'll just format my data series. Let me see it's a bit more big. Yeah, it's bigger enough. Making sense right now. So let's do half of this. We want to build a racetrack, something like a racetrack that will be showing as it was increasing and decreasing. Let me just do this. The fuel, we're not actually delete no fuel. We just look it black out. No fuel. Mistake. So you see, just make sure you're selecting one of these to make mistake like that. I think it's making sense now. So let's delete our chart title, our revenue gap. So you can see we have a nice racetrack donut chart. But they're all formatted same thing. You have to be very, very careful. You can see for fiction. If you come here, my fiction is yellow. I'll just solid fill, yellow, make it yellow. I'll make this also yellow, solid fill, yellow. But let's put a what? A transparent 50%. Making sense right now. This is romance. Romance is what? Ash, solid fill. My bad. You see, you have to be actually very, very careful when you are selecting your what? The data series, your data visualization. So this amount, I think is 50%. How about this? This is comedy. Comedy is orange, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that orange. So this view orange is orange already. Let's make it orange of 50%. And the last one is blue. This is cool. Solid blue 50%. So you could see that our racetrack is making sense. We don't have to what? Give it data labels. But since we are customizing this from scratch, we can't actually use the normal data labels. We are going to get a little bit fancy here. What I'll do is come to insert. I'm going to select this, make this a little bit smaller. Yeah, I'll come to the insert, shapes, insert my labels manually. So I'll start with fiction, fiction, romance, comedy, and action. So I just make that bold. Just use like this. So here what I do, I just format this, format shape, no fill, no line. Just going to mix it like that. So you see what I'm trying to do right now. I'm trying to create a normal labels. So what I have to do is take this a little bit broad so it's fitting. So big. Yeah, cool. You see now what we have our labels right now. You see, this is my label. You can see this is showing for fiction. I click fiction, I select this romance, select this comedy, and this action. So nice and cool. But one thing is what you could also get a little bit fancy. You could see how it is increasing and decreasing. Let me just insert a little bit of tweak for you. So what I will do right now, just come here, just come to my formula bar, because this, just press enter, select that. So let me be, or if it's bold, I can increase it. Now bring it here and just format shape, no fill, no fill. I hope I'm making sense. I could just increase that. That big. Yeah, it's big enough. So what this is showing me is going to show me what the percentage, and it is what as it is increasing. So let's assume my revenue target changes to $4,000. You see my percentage is what is increasing and decreasing. Let's assume it changes to 2. You see what as this is increasing, my chart is also what is also updating. You see my revenue target is increasing and decreasing. So guys, this is a quick one. So what to visualize the what to create a racetrack type of pie chart and donut charts. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to know when I drop new content every Wednesdays and Sundays. So bye bye, do have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video. If this looks too cumbersome or so heavy, don't forget to ask me how I did it in the comment section, and I'm going to explain to you super fast. If you follow this tutorial, you will create an amazing pie chart, donut chart, and what a racetrack type of donut chart. Bye bye, God bless you, have a fantastic day. See you in the next video.